It's cold. Guten Morgen. It's time to take you down. So the plan today is to hike either or both the Beehive Trail and the Precipice Trail while recording some content for a video that I'm planning on doing. So this is more like the behind the scenes, and yeah, I've been meaning to make this video for a long time, just didn't know how to do it, so I think doing it in Acadia would be a beautiful scenery for it, and it would make sense in the end. So we've got breakfast cleared. Now it's time to hit the trailhead. I think I'm early enough that there's still vacancy in the parking lot, but better safe than sorry. I'm gonna go right now. The good thing about this Brad Pitt hairstyle is that I can wake up with morning hair and it still look in style. Like, that's the point of it. Style it up a bit and good to go. I forgot to put on some lotion after shaving. Usual morning stuff. My favorite lotion right here. Jergens. I've used it since I was a kid. I'm sticking with it. I'm gonna dog a sandwich real quick. Okay. Alright guys, we made it to the trailhead for Precipice, and I'm a little bit nervous, not gonna lie. I'm still packing my bags. Gotta put on my shoes. I gotta stretch too. Gotta make sure I've got enough water. This thing goes here. But yeah, it's early. It's 8 o'clock. We're doing this. Wow, I already see them climbing up. That is steep. But now I'm stretching because I know now that this is super necessary. Dude, they were on such an incline. All right. Hamstrings especially. I still have to pack my lunch. I'm gonna be hungry. Oh, I'm still nervous. I don't know why. Should I wear my hat? Yeah. I look like a weirdo with my hair peeking out. Oh my gosh, I look like a fucking baby. But here, yeah, we'll go with this. Let's do it, guys. Well, if it wasn't nerve-wracking enough, think twice before climbing Precipice Trail. We started this hike. I think the name of the game is just to go slow at the start. Go slow. Start slow. Believe in yourself. Here's the first set of ladders. Should be fun. How the heck do you do this? Dang. That is tough, man. Damn. They made it hard on purpose for the first one. Jeez, bro. I already dropped my water bottle on like not even a freaking bad climb. And I just put everything, including my cameras, inside my backpack, so I'm just recording with my phone, so forgive me for the quality. Those colors are amazing. Let's tackle it. Okay, time to enjoy my sandwich. We made it up top, took our time with the video, but this view is even more, what do you call it, holistic? You see all around here. We made it to the top. Should be easy going from here on out. I know the sun's harsh, but this is what I live for. Rocks and water. That's my thing. God damn, it's fucking windy. What the fuck? Is it always this windy year round? I don't freaking know. But yeah, we're here. I could be up here for hours. And honestly, I have. This, holy smokes, this wind can take you out, man. If you're a child, If you're a child, you're fucked here. I love life right now. Interesting. Okay, I have the option to cut my hike short by following this road and ending where I started, or I can just go around longer, see a scenic view, and head back. And because I have all the time in the world, I'm gonna take the long route. Check this out, guys. Fa la 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 la. Friends, I'm hungry. I'm gonna find a picnic spot and chill. Finally ending the hike now. We conquered the hardest hike in Acadia. Let's go. All right, we're back at the sand beach because honestly, this is probably the most scenic spot in the park. So I might as well just eat here on some low-key shit. Done. Gotta make sure that the wind doesn't knock over my tripod. That would suck. Okay, let's go.
but it's so hard to change. Why is this so hard? We're back because I gotta shit and buy some water. Oh, look at that. Alright guys, we made it at the Bass Harbor Lighthouse. There it is. And the sun is setting there. What a beautiful sunset. Guys, what a spot for a picnic. Holy crap. I think I'm in love with Maine. This state is absolutely amazing. I could see myself living here. I would claim Maine. It's so pretty, man. It's so freaking pretty. Now I want to see if I can camp here. There's a porta potty over there, but I think over on that light there's a camera. The use of consumer fireworks is prohibited on this property. All right, good thing I'm poor. Got my car here. That's how we setting up, boys. Oh shit. When did I lock it? Okay, this is my setup. Got my fan. That's got a light. It's also a battery bank too. Except I don't have the the cable to charge my phone and stuff because it uses a USB-A. And I don't carry that shit no more. But this is me. This seat, the left passenger seat in the back, is my lounge seat. I've come to find out because I've tried to lounge like every position on this bed, but two things: the ceiling is too low when I sit down, and I always slouch in any position. So this is just the most comfortable. Enough ceiling clearance, you know, a dedicated back. I can even recline. Oh, so nice. Yeah, I'm learning to love this car a lot.
Why they're so special. And Jericho's the same way. This is a guy who spent his entire life fighting.
It's getting cold, so I went into the sleeping bag. And I have my iPad here just to have some entertainment. But yeah, it is. What is the time right now? It's 10:13, and it's honestly later than I imagined me going to sleep. I thought with the sun setting at around 6, I'll be in bed by like 9 latest, but I managed to keep myself entertained, so having a good time.